Hi, I'm Lisa from Lori's Country Cottage. Welcome to How Tuesday. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Reflections Quilt from Karen Montgomery. Here are your supplies for Reflections. You'll need the pattern from Karen Montgomery. The pattern includes a bonus pattern for making a travel pillow made with the cutoffs as you're doing the quilt. You'll need something to mark on your ruler, either glow line tape or G-Eazy stickers, or Linda didn't have anything at home, so she used painter's tape. You'll need a square ruler that's at least 9 inches square, and it's best to use acorn fabric solution or best press because we'll be cutting on the diagonal. Also, fun to pick fabric for this project as you just need a light and a dark that coordinate. All right, let's get going. Take your fabric A and your fabric B and cut them into the appropriately sized rectangles. Mark your ruler with the G-Eazy stickers or the glow line tape, or as Linda did, painting tape.
What?
For cutting the rectangles. Take half of your A and place them right side up. Take the other half of your A rectangles and place them right sides down. Do the same with your B fabric rectangles and make sure to label them. Cut your right side up rectangles on the diagonal. Make sure both A and B stacks are cut on the same diagonal, either from upper left to lower right or the opposite, upper right to lower left. Doesn't matter which way, but it must be the same for all of your cuts. Cut your right side down rectangles as well. And again, make sure it's on the same diagonal. If you're careful and very accurate, you can cut more than one rectangle at a time. Sort your pieces into right-facing and left-facing blocks. Right side up goes with right side up, and right side down goes with right side down. Stitch your pieces together along the long biased edge. Your pieces should not match. If they do, you're sewing the wrong edges together. You can save time by chain stitching. Press one set of your new rectangles toward the A fabric and press the other set toward the B fabric. That way, your seams are going to nest when you put them together. Using the directions in the pattern, trim your rectangles to the appropriate size. Here are Linda's blocks, all trimmed up. Cut your rectangles into strips, following the instructions in the pattern. Lay your pieces out according to the pattern. Look how your seams will nest. When you have your row together, press the top row to the right and the bottom row to the left. Now stitch your rows together. Take your rows, stitch them all together, and you have a completed quilt top. Look at Linda's beautiful free motion quilting on her reflection quilt. Here's another look at Linda's quilting. Aren't those designs beautiful? And here's a picture of the completed quilt. Thanks for joining me for How Tuesday. I hope you enjoy learning how to make the Reflections quilt, and I hope you'll try it.